Hello. In the last video, we have seen order of execution of constructor and destructor during inheritance in single inheritance with the help of default constructor. Now we will see one example where parameterized constructor is used. So let's quickly move to the program and see the outcome. There is a class A with data member X, and in the public section we have a parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is initializing data member X and also giving some message on the screen. There is a destructor also with some message. Class B is inheriting class A in public mode, where class B is also having data member L, and there is a parameterized constructor. As per rule number 4, we know if a base class is having parameterized constructor, then it is mandatory for derived class to have a parameterized constructor. So what we have done here, we have made a parameterized constructor in the derived class, which will pass the value to the parameterized constructor of base class. Now you can see here the parameterized constructor of derived class B is accepting one argument P, and that argument is passed to the base class parameterized constructor, and this is a syntax for initializer list. So what will happen here, the base class parameterized constructor will be called and it will take the value of P. After it is called, then the turn comes for derived class parameterized constructor, and derived class parameterized constructor is also giving a message on the screen. And finally we have a destructor in derived class also. Now when we create object of derived class, we pass 1 because its parameterized constructor is taking one argument. Now this 1 will be taken by P, and later on this P value will be passed to the base class parameterized constructor. So it will directly move to base class parameterized constructor and its value will be passed. All in all, we can conclude here, the parameterized constructor of derived class will take the responsibility to pass the value to the base class parameterized constructor and to invoke it also. And the destructors will be called in reverse order of execution. We can see the output. So first, base class parameterized constructor is called with value 1, then derived class parameterized constructor is called again with value 1, then derived class destructor, and finally base class destructor is getting called. Thank you.